Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy up back. Y'all know I had to chop suey them videos up, man. The first drive in the Hellcat. Let's get it, let's go, man. About to be a legendary one. Got my guy Bart right there with the drag radios for the Hellcat in the back of that thing, which I'm bringing to LA, man. So stay tuned for all legendary content. As soon as I get to LA, well, I hope to plan when as soon as I get there, go to drag strip. Either way it goes, I'm definitely in the drag strip when I go to LA. My car won't be 1,000 pounds lighter like Bart had it pretty much. But hey, nonetheless, y'all gonna get the logistics and the specs and everything, all that little car stuff. So I'm going to the drag strip. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. But without further ado, let's go on the first drive in the Hellcat. Since that thing been back, I ain't had my car in about 6 months, man. So it's about to be big time legendary. Got my tabs here. Then we're putting the Hellcat. Check. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Corey, please don't go fast, because I'm not trying to die today.
Oh, my engine check light on. All that. Yeah. We ain't gonna go too fast as you in the car, champ. We're just gonna do little pulls, like 0 to 30 or something. Maybe, something like that.
0 to 30?
Maybe shorter than that.
What do you mean?
Got my red key back, baby. Yeah. Let's get it, man. That thing sounded good. I'm glad I ain't go back to put it back to factory out, champ. You think I should have went factory or kept it like this?
I do not know.
Well, you said it's gonna be too loud. That's what you said.
What? Well, it depends what the cops are like in LA.
I heard they're terrible. That's what I heard. But you know, then at the same time, I hear people who live there. Yes, nice.
Some are like
some are saying the cops. Some are saying I don't know if there's any cops like that cop. Boy, that cop was crazy.
Boy, look at your top of the head. You look like a minion with your stupid self. Boy, you look like you from Ghostbusters or Marshmallow with your stupid. You look like the bottom of my shoe. What are you talking about? You look like you chewed gum under desk.
You crazy. Ready for a little pool? But some people say the cops ain't that bad. In the LA, as people say.
I'm not ready for this.
Let me get some water.
Ew, that noise.
Feeling refreshed. I miss my Hellcat. What about you? Did you miss the Hellcat?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too. I love my Ram Breezy, but ain't nothing like this baby right here. The Hellcat is one of a kind, no question.
Okay.
Damn, this thing is nasty. You know the crazy part is I'm not even going that fast, but the sound of it alone will give it, and y'all know obviously what that sound can do because I got pulled over a million times because of that sound. So hopefully when I get to LA, it's not all bad. You know what I mean? So plus, you know, my car is registered here. I live here, and you know, all that good stuff. So hopefully everything should be kosher, copacetic. Shout out to my guy Bart at High-Tech Motorsport, man. Make sure y'all go rock with him. ASAP. Definitely go subscribe to the channel. Follow my Instagram. All his info is in the description below, man. Happy that the Hellcat back. I will be taking the Hellcat to the drag strip once I get to LA. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Until then, this vlog isn't over, but this driver seat right here is officially over, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. Say bye.
Bye.
So this is my favorite tunnel right here, y'all. Minneapolis. We gotta let that thing go. Watch. Y'all wanna hear it? That sounds crazy. Today is a whole new day, G Squad. It's about 6 a.m. right now, man. I got the Ram Breezy sitting behind me, and now we are about to go pick up the trailer. And you got the Hellcat sitting right there behind me. Look at that thing sitting glorious, ain't it? Ooh, the co-star and that thing about to sound crazy. I didn't even put it in the garage last night. But about to take the Ram Breezy, get the trailer put on it, man. Then after that, we got to put the Hellcat on it, man. So make sure y'all just stay tuned and in the loop and don't skip no ass throughout this whole video. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see y'all in 1 minute.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Gotta bring the dogs with me. King, go. Queen, come. Come on, girl. Hop in there. You almost got it. Come on. You can do it, girl. You can do it, Queen. Look at King. Oh, okay, fine. I'll help you out, you lazy girl. There you go. Good girl. Look at King. Happy to be going on a ride. Ain't it? Look at Queen. Big chillin'. Boy. Okay. Let's go, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, subscribe as you're watching this channel. Follow your boy, Not Young Facebook, man. So now we are getting the trailer hooked up on the Ram Breezy, man. Here, King being the crybaby, look at Queen. We are getting the trailer hooked up, man, and we are about to hit that road. I'm sorry, I lost my voice. Man, the grind don't stop. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, then you know why my voice is going. Ooh-wee, man. The grind is never ending, man. You gotta get to it, man. Do what you have to do today so you can do whatever it is that you want to do in the future, man. So we are back at the house, man. The trailer is on the Ram Breezy, and if you look right over here, I almost ran into my damn Hellcat. You got Kim's winter tires with my old truck mats. You got the drag radios and the other set of rims that I have for the Hellcat right here, man. But now, let's get this cold start on the Hellcat. Now we have to take the drag radios and these rims out of Snow White, put them over there with those tires until we are ready to do more. Both drag radios are over there. Let's go ahead and hit that button. This will drop down. Tires there, check. Hellcat there, check. Ram Breezy with the trailer there, check, 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 check. Me and this beautiful woman just got back from having a phenomenal breakfast before I head out to LA. And she's gonna take the Hellcat to go hang out with some of her friends and do her thing. See ya, love you.
Love you.
Make sure when you pull off, you go over there to the right, like off the mud. Don't go straight down. Like go off the grass. Okay. And she's out of here, y'all. Ram Breezy. She knows to go at an angle too, look. That thing sounds so glorious, though. Look at it. That thing sound crazy, don't it? Watch how I bend that corner. Ooh, the Hellcat. Queen, watch your mama roll off. Go upstairs. Upstairs. And then you got King right there. Look at him. Sit. Queen, don't be hard-headed. Good girl. Took you a little while. Down. Come on, you get good girl. Yeah, you're good baby. Good baby. Yeah, you're such a good girl. Good girl. You're a good boy too, King. Such a good boy. Well, King is going to be staying with Kim, and Queen will be going with me. And if you're asking why that is, it's because King, we paid about $4,000 for his training. Queen has been trained slightly, but not as good enough as King. King's about 2 years old. Queen's about 5 months old or something like that. So just to give you a full understanding, immature, still immature, but more mature than Queen. So, and he's more protective. No, I wouldn't say more protective because she's actually ferocious. If y'all follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you already know this by now. But Queen, you said still, girl. And King, you know, he's just bigger, more imposing. And, you know, he'll be able to protect them while I'm gone. And, you know, he's honestly way more attached to Kim than he is to me as well. And I think he'd be really depressed without Kim because, you know, a lot of the times when I was traveling and moving all around in and out of state, he was with Kim. So, you know, obviously she laid a big imprint on him. Look at Queen. What's that, baby? Look at her. She's so ferocious. I love them both, man. Connie Corso's, man. Holla at my guy Jimmy at Ruff House Connie Corso out in Cali. Obviously, I'll be in LA, so y'all go see a whole lot more of my guy Jimmy at Ruff House Connie Corso. So be sure to subscribe to his channel and all that good stuff, man. But without further ado, as you can see, I got a lot of packing and stuff I got to do. You stop it. Don't be stubborn. So, yeah, I'll see you in a minute when everything's all done and taken care of, man. So I'm getting ready to skedaddle up out of Minnesota, man. Yeah. Head to Cali. Everybody say what's up, man. Give everybody your time. Everybody say what's up over there, fellas. We got Minnesota in the map. Say what's up. Got my brother Life with DNA, man. Everybody say what's up over here, too. Y'all get some love this way, too, man. We packed it up and we about to dip out and go, man. They up in this thing heavy, man. Big Hellcats, big everything up in this thing, man. Minnesota, they showed up, and we got a Raptor over there. So G Squad, if y'all want to know what's been happening, what's been taking place, that is what's happening, and that is what's taking place, man. Look at the Hellcat and look at the Ram Breezy. How legendary is that? Queen Hill. And look at the Queen, the Cunning Corso herself. Good job, baby. Good job. Got my dream dog, got my dream car, got my dream truck, man. Like I said, man, how legendary is that, man? What more of a blessing could there be in life other than hitting the jackpot, man? Because this is pretty much it in comparison to where I've come from, man. You know, but G Squad, I greatly appreciate y'all. Look at Queen. Queen, Hill. Queen, get, no. Come here. Good, baby. She's just everywhere right now. She's doing really good, though. I'm so proud of her. But like I said, man, look at where I've come from and look where I'm at now, man. You can't tell me God isn't great, man. But got a lot more further to go, man. That's not where the grind stopped. Queen, Hill, come here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come here. Good girl. That's not where the grind stops, man. You know, I've achieved some monumental things in my life, you know, but I got a lot more planned, man. And I want to go a lot more further, G Squad. But I greatly appreciate y'all for y'all support from the very beginning of my YouTube channel to where I'm at now, baby. But we got a long way to go. Look at that, man. How legendary is that? Y'all see the drag radios and all that stuff back there, man. Come on, make sure y'all go ahead and give your boy a follow on the Instagram, the Snapchat, subscribe if you're watching this video, and follow your boy on Facebook, man, because y'all got all the giblets on all the social media platforms before it actually went up on my YouTube channel. And you would know that if you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat, or anything of that sort, man. But greatly appreciate y'all in a nutshell, man. We've come a long way, G Squad, but we got a lot more further to go. We got my brother, The Life of DNA. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. We got my mom in the back seat as well. Huh?
Like and watch the video. It's lost $80.
You really lost the money? Oh, you're so embarrassing. Knew not to give you that cash. That boy would lose his name if it wasn't attached to his ID, man. And sometimes we lose his ID, good thing for the memory, man. But look at Queen. Look how alert she is. Like, what the hell's going on over there? What's that, baby? Look at her. Look, she knows DJ now. But no, man. Appreciate where we at, man. You know, you got to count your blessings for you at in life right now, but at the same time, you got to always think about the future and your next move and trying to make your next move your best move, man. And that's all I'm trying to do right now, man. But I greatly appreciate y'all support from the jump, and I greatly appreciate all y'all continuous support, man, because I'm going to need it for where I'm trying to go, baby. But anyway, we're moving and grooving, man. Just getting some gas, about to go in here, grab a few snacks and all that and whatnot, just getting her, let her burn her energy out right now and go crazy. And then after that, we getting back in the Ram Breezy, towing the Hellcat, and we're heading back to LA, and right now we're actually in Iowa. So see y'all in a minute, baby.